Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're making something super fun. We're making articulated bugs.
Oh my God, Miss Kate, that's a really big word.
Do you want to know what it means?
I do.
Would you read your definition?
Yes. Articulated, having two or more sections connected by a flexible joint.
So theirs is the flexible
so
joint. So what we use, so I'm going to show you, we used old cardboard. So this is from Lindy's frozen treats that we like. We call them icy treats. We cut out shapes. I'm going to show you on here. Cut out shapes like this for the body, and then some for the wings, and punched holes in them because we're going to need the brad soon. And then the rest we can use to make horns and eyeballs and legs, whatever you want to add to it. These are not based on any real bug. They don't really look like real bugs. The first one I did, I used thicker cardboard, but it was harder to cut. So this thinner cardboard, like a cereal box or a cracker box, something like that, is much easier to cut. So we're going to start with the body. I will cut out the body. And then, as soon as that is cut out, I can go to the wings, which I already traced on here, and I already punched the holes in. So if you have a hole puncher nearby, it does make it easier. You could jab a hole in it if you wanted to, but that's harder.
If I was doing this at home, Miss Kate, does it matter what shape my wings are? Or my
No,
body?
because it's your bug that you're creating, so
Very
it doesn't matter. And this may be, okay. Then, so now you imagine, now you've painted them. Let's say you painted them already. And you take this thing called a brad. See, it's this, I think they have other names too, don't they? I don't know. We just call them brads. And you poke that into the hole, and on the other side you spread out its two pieces. And now this is stuck together. This is a very small wing for this little bug, though. Kind of made it small. And then you do the same on the other side. But I'm going to tell you, I would paint them first and then let them dry and then do what I'm doing now. So as you can see, I started off, I painted all of this brown because I wanted a brown bug with some dots. And then I cut pieces for legs and I glued those down, and for its, I wanted to have horns, so I glued a piece right there after I painted it. I cut out some eyes, but on this one I just actually painted the eyes right on it. And then, after all this was done, everything was dry, I put it together, I used some Puffy Paint, and I drew some lines on here. I used some black for the eyes, and then I used some orange Puffy Paint here, so I'll just show you some fun. Puffy Paint is fun, but if you use too much, it could get stuck, because it never really dries fully. And then, for added glitter, added, I don't know, pizzazz, I use this stuff. It's not really glitter, it's like shredded plastic. What did we just call it a moment ago?
Shimmer flakes.
Shimmer flakes. They're shimmer flakes. But all I did was here, I'll do it on this one. I took some glue and I spread it on the bottom of my wing, and it could be anywhere. This is just where I wanted to put it. And then I shook some of this shimmer glitter, shimmer, I keep forgetting what we call it.
Glitter.
Shimmer flakes right on here.
Sometimes bugs really have shiny wings if you look up.
Oh, they do. I think bugs are so interesting. In particular, beetles. Beetles are fascinating. And then look, now it's got some shimmer to it right there, which is super fun. And then you can make a whole collection of these. When you finish that box of cereal, don't throw it away in the recycle bin. You should cut it up and turn it into things like bugs. Okay, everyone. And that is our articulated bug. So remember, a new word today. Articulated means that it has a moving hinge.
Two or more sections.
Two more sections.
By a flexible joint.
Yes. So your flexible joint is using the brad, and now it's flexible, so it can fly around.
Waving goodbye.
Oh yes. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Thanks for joining us. If you like this video, subscribe to us on YouTube.
And or follow us on Instagram. Bye.